Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to unbox some Happy Mail. I have a small order from HOBBII that I'm going to open, and then I also have two packages which I suspect are entries for my Help the Homeless giveaway. Please make note that the deadline for the giveaway is December 5th. So if you plan on sending in your items to be qualified for the $25 Amazon gift card, you need to have your items sent in and received by me by December the 5th. But let's take a look at what I got from HOBBII first. Here's my HOBBII package. I'm pretty excited about it. Now, they just had a big clearance sale on their Halloween yarns. So I wanted to go ahead and get some because I thought this one is very pretty. I've never ordered from HOBBII before. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Universal XL Halloween, and I have 4 of these cakes. And these, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I can't get enough of this. Let me put on my glasses so I can read what the specifications are. So this is a 3-weight, and it's a 100-gram ball, and this is 240 yards, and it uses a 4 to 5 millimeter crochet hook, and it's 98% acrylic and 2% polyester. This is some gorgeous yarn. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to see how this works up. I wish I would have gotten more, but this will do. Look at that. Oh, love it. So excited. I haven't been buying myself a lot of yarn lately since I wasn't able to crochet, but now that I'm back in action, it's pretty hard to resist. So here are my HOBBII yarns. Now I'm not sure if they have any left, but if they do, you might want to grab some up because this is just absolutely gorgeous. Now let's take a look at the Happy Mail that I received. This package here is from Christina R. from Washington. So let's see what Christina has sent us today. I'm pretty excited about this. Well, look at here. Christina sent a bunch of hugs for the Hug for Happiness. And let me just read her card. She says, Laura, thank you for your caring gesture for all the hugs you provide to others. Here are just a few that me and my granddaughter made. Crafty Critter, Christina. Thank you so much, Christina. You and your granddaughter made some beautiful hugs. Look at how adorable this is. Oh, I just love it. Thank you so much, Christina. I really, really appreciate it. And I will make sure that these get passed on somewhere. Either I might take some to the chemo center, and I might donate some to the children's hospital. So thank you so much. These are so cute. I love the little hair that you put on there. Thank you. I really appreciate it. This package is from Tia H, and she is from Ohio. And this feels pretty squishy, so let's see what's inside. Let's see. And Tia says, hi, Laura. Here are 3 hats for warm hearts for your homeless. Sending lots of hugs and love, blessings. And she has entered 3 hats. And so that means that she gets 3 entries into the giveaway. And here is the first hat that she made. Look at how pretty that is. I love the little tassel on the top. Oh, and look at the little tag. Handmade with love. That's so cute, Tia. I love this. Thank you so much. And then she also made this beautiful blue beanie with another pretty little tag on it. Look how nice that is. And look at this beautiful lavender one with the lavender pom-pom and the little button on the front. Thank you so much, Tia. Look at these 3 beautiful hats she sent. So far, Tia is the only one to send in hats or anything for the homeless. You know, I was hoping I would get a bigger response. I am giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. Might want to get in your entries. The deadline is December 5th. And all the details I'll list in the video down below in the description box. And I just want to say thank you, Tia, and thank you, Christina, for your donations. It means a lot to me, and I'm really excited to be able to provide these things to help other people smile and to help keep them warm. And I couldn't do it all without you because I only have 2 hands and they can only do so much. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it a lot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the the notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.